મહત્વપૂર્ણ સમાચાર પ્રાપ્ત થઈ રહ્યા છે તેની ઉપર નજર કરીશું। આરબીઆઈએ વ્યાજ દરમાં કર્યો 0.25% વધારો।
Real GDP growth is estimated at 7% in 2022-23, according to the first advance estimate of the National Statistical Office, that is the NSO. Higher Rabi acreage, sustained urban demand, improving rural demand, robust credit expansion, gains in consumer and business optimism, and the government's enhanced thrust on capital expenditure and infrastructure in the recently presented Union Budget 23-24 should support economic activity in the coming year. Weak external demand and the uncertain global environment, however, would be a drag on the domestic growth prospects. Consumer price inflation in India moved below the upper tolerance level during November and December 2022, driven by a strong decline in prices of vegetables. Core inflation, however, remains sticky. Looking ahead, while inflation is expected to moderate in 2023-24, it is likely to rule above the 4% target. The outlook is clouded by continuing uncertainties from geopolitical tensions, global financial market volatility, rising non-oil commodity prices, and volatile crude oil prices. At the same time, economic activity in India is expected to hold up well. The rate hikes since May 2022 are still working their way through the system. On balance, the MPC was of the view that further calibrated monetary policy action is warranted to keep inflation expectations anchored, break the persistence of core inflation, and thereby strengthen the medium-term growth prospects. Accordingly, the MPC decided to raise policy repo rate by 25 basis points to 6.5%. The MPC will continue to maintain strong vigil on the evolving inflation outlook so as to ensure that it remains within the tolerance band and progressively aligns with the target. Inflation is expected to average 5.6% in the fourth quarter of 23-24, while the policy repo rate is, after today's revision, now stands at 6.5%. Adjusted for inflation, the policy rate still trails its pre-pandemic levels. Liquidity remains in surplus with an average daily absorption of 1.6 lakh crore under the LAF in January 23. The overall monetary conditions therefore remain accommodative, and hence the MPC decided to remain focused on withdrawal of accommodation.